Hi guys, my name is Gagan Thakur, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can host n8n for totally free, no cost at all. So first you need to go to this link bit.ly claw-gt. This is my affiliate link, of course. So once you go to this, will take you to this link, and it's called Claw Cloud. Okay, so I recently started using this, and I have no issues using this service, so that's why I'm recommending. I'm not saying that it's a great service, I don't know that, but for using it for free, it's amazing. So as you can read here, first time benefit $5 credit, and if you link your GitHub as well, then you get some additional benefit, and then recurring monthly benefit of $5 credit. So basically you are getting $5 every month, and that's amazing. And it is enough for hosting n8n. So I'll tell you how you can do that. So let's log in. As of now I'm using Google. Okay, so you can use anything you want. I had this test account created, so I'm going to log in with this, and that's it. So we are logged in, and then you need to choose a region. As I'm in Asia, so I'll select Singapore, but they have these many regions, so let's select Singapore, and then let's call it test. You can call it anything, and start deploying. And then you should see this, welcome to your free plan, and these are, so I'll just skip the dashboard. I'll just go to the dashboard, and now this is what you see. So there is a terminal. If you want to install something on your own, go ahead, do that. Okay, otherwise if you just want to quickly install n8n, then there is an easy way. Okay, so all you need to do is, there are these shortcuts. Okay, so you need to go to the App Store, and in the App Store you will see some popular services. One of them is n8n, so it's a one-click installation. Okay, you see n8n here. I'll just click on n8n, and let's wait for this to get loaded, and then use it. And look at the pricing. It's a $0.1 per day. As I told you, you get $5 every month. So $0.1 a day is around uh, one dollar for 10 days. So like for 30 days it will be $3. So, and you get a credit of $5. So this should be good. Now let's say deploy app, and it will take some time, and then your n8n installation will be ready. I am using this already, and it's working amazing. So as you can see that here, the memory allocation you can also see. So there you see, it should be up and live. So basically these are the configurations. Okay, and this is the public URL, so it's still deploying. Once it is deployed, you should have access to this public URL, and just go ahead, use this public URL, and you should be good to go. So I'll pause the video here for some time, and once this is ready, I'll resume the video. Okay, our public URL is ready, so I'll just go ahead and click on this guy, and then ideally it should open n8n. So there you go, your n8n is live. This is your personal instance of n8n, which is running on cloud totally for free. You just go ahead, create an account, and the usual drill that you do, and then you have the n8n live and start playing around with it. I'll keep making these kind of videos in the future. Let me know what next you want to see, and I'll create that video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.